Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of to-dos in this entrepreneurial world, launch tasks, calls, content creation, while still trying to be a present parent? Today, I'm going to tell you about the exact Asana templates that help me and my clients calm the chaos and reclaim some much needed mental space. I'm a mom to an ADHD kiddo, I run a business, and I track everything from client funnels to beach day packing lists in Asana pretty much every day. Hi, I'm Samantha, and I help online coaches, freelancers, and other small service-based entrepreneurs organize and streamline their business operations so they can save time, reduce overwhelm, and focus on what they actually love to do. So a few years ago, we moved from Saskatchewan all the way to Nova Scotia to escape -40 winters. Spoiler, it's still too cold for this prairie girl. So I spend most of the winter months buried under blankets, mapping out workflows. And the rest of the year, you'll find me chasing my daughter along the beach or one of Nova Scotia's beautiful coastal hikes. And let's talk about the story that sparked this video. So a couple months ago on Autism Awareness Day, I sent out a really personal email about what it's like navigating life with my ADHD daughter. I wasn't sure how it would land, but the responses were incredible. One message in particular really stuck with me. It was from a customer who had purchased Asana Essentials, and with her permission, I want to read you what she said. Okay, she said, "I wanted to thank you for your Asana templates. They've been incredibly helpful in my work life, easing my sense of overwhelm and giving me more mental space for parenting." And before this, she shared her story about autism as well and how she has an autistic kiddo. And so she goes on. "In fact, I was so inspired by them that I created an Asana team just for my son, tracking professional recommendations, meetings, goals, and daily reminders to help keep everything organized. Without even knowing it, you've helped this mama parent better, and I am so grateful." Cue the happy tears. No, but actually, when I first read that, I was like almost in tears. It's just such an incredible feeling helping someone like that and someone in a situation similar to mine, because I know how much of a struggle it is. Moments like that remind me why I do what I do. How I originally started out in the online space hoping to help moms with mental health. Turns out my real strength was systems, but systems can be mental health tools in disguise. So flashback a few months, we were deep in the assessment process for my daughter, and if you've ever been through something similar, you know how intense it is. So many forms, appointments, evaluations, emails, and paperwork. It's a lot. But luckily, I had Asana. So I created a project specifically for the assessment process. Every appointment went in as a task. All the documents we had to provide were either linked or uploaded directly into the task. I set due dates for everything, kept track of all of our notes, and had a dedicated section just for resources we were given. It made the whole thing so much more manageable. That's what a great system does. It lets your brain take a break because the details are all captured somewhere safe. So I'd love to know, what's one area of your life or business that feels totally chaotic in your brain right now? Comment below and tell me, is it family, client work, finances, or something else? I might even share a solution in an upcoming video. Okay, let me show you what this actually looks like with a few examples. So a parenting support list inspired by the email I read earlier. You can set up sections for things like appointments, professional recommendations, therapies, daily routines, and wins and milestones. You can upload PDFs, color code tasks by therapy type, and make sure everything's accessible when you need it. Next could be a mental load dashboard for moms. You can use it for stuff like grocery lists, a recurring budget check-in, a reading tracker, which if you're like me, might just tell you which books you fell asleep during because mom life, and even house chores or tasks for weekends. You could have a school year command center where you have your recurring tasks for things like permission slips, hot lunch orders, parent-teacher conferences, and even a snow day backup plan. I personally love things like my beach day checklist. Since I'm a summer person and Nova Scotia finally redeems itself when the sun is out, I keep a template for what to bring to the beach, like towels, sand toys, sunscreen, and everything else. If you've been trying to mentally juggle it all, let me say, you don't have to. Your brain isn't meant to remember everything, especially if you're also trying to be creative, grow a business, or show up for your family. Offloading it all into a system is not a weakness, it's self-compassion. If this sounds like something you could use, let me officially introduce you to Asana Essentials, my complete toolkit for building a business hub that supports your life, not just your to-do list. Inside, you'll get foundational plug-and-play templates for client management, content and marketing launches, lead tracking, you name it. You'll get bite-sized video walkthroughs so you can set each project up in just a few minutes. And the second you enroll, you get instant access. You can find the link below this video or head to samanthakasbrick.com/AE to check it out. Okay, let's go back to another real life way I use Asana in my personal life. So my daughter has a rare disease, ADHD, autism, PDA, which means we work with a lot of specialists. An ENT, audiology, genetics, therapy, nephrology, you name it, plus all the regular stuff like dentists and optometrists. So I set up a simple project in Asana for keeping track of all of these things. Each specialist has their own task card with their contact info, visit notes, and a recurring reminder to book the next appointment. So when a new doctor asks who else is on her team, I literally just pull out my phone, open the Asana project, and it's all right there. And if you're thinking, this sounds great, but can I use it for my business? Yes, there are so many ways to use it for your business too. One of my favorites is for batching YouTube content. You can track your process from idea, script, record, edit, and upload. You can tag your editor and even set up automations to assign relative due dates. Also, a client management board. You can create an Asana board for sections for onboarding, in progress, or offboarding. And you can add custom fields like deliverable type or communication preference to keep track of what each client needs without relying on memory. These business templates are actually what is in Asana Essentials. I also have personal templates separate, but Asana Essentials is going to help you manage those business aspects and really inspire you, like the mom I was quoting earlier, to create your own projects that work for your life as well. This work isn't just about productivity hacks, it's about supporting the real people behind the business. It's about creating space for rainy days and tangle doodles, spontaneous beach trips, or bedtime stories that may or may knock you out before the kids. If you're ready to create that kind of space in your business and life, I'd love to have you join me inside Asana Essentials. The link's below. But even if you never buy a thing from me, promise me this: offload your tasks somewhere outside your brain tonight. You deserve the peace of mind. If this video gave you an aha moment, hit like and let me know in the comments what you're going to set up first: business hub, parenting board, or medical log. If you want more ways to use Asana for personal use, watch this video next. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I will see you next week. Bye.